Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. And in this video, I'll break down some of my trades that I took recently. I just look for the market stocks before the 9:30, like this. I have to find whether the market is on bullish trend or bearish trend, and I just wait for the market structure to the one side like this. You can see here is the break of structure to the downside, and after that it formed the structure like this. I just wait for the market structure and find the bias, and I just see the support and resistance like this. This becomes our support become resistance level like this, and this becomes our QM level, and this is our apex level like this. This is our levels, and I look for this kind of stocks or and support resistance, and then I figure out market is on bullish trend or bearish trend. If you see here, let's just delete all, and let me just explain from here. When the 9:30 candle close here, it formed the breakup structure to the downside like this, and after that I got one support become resistance level here, and I just go to the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute, I look for the candle rejection. You can see it from one candle like this, and after that it give the huge rejection, and I just took the entry after market give the rejection and SL slightly high of this zone, and 1:3 RR like this. This trade is perfectly 1:3 RR. If you go to the 5-minute time frame, there is the external stocks also. So we got the break of stocks to the downside, and we got one zone here. And after that, go to the 1 minute time frame and wait for the candle rejection there. Wait for the bearish candle, because we are just looking for the bearish trade, and just take the trade at the retracement like this, and as slightly above the high, and just take 1:3 RR like this. It hit perfectly 1:3 RR, and these are the two trades that I took. And after that, these are the two TP that I booked perfectly. And after that, market again give some kind of rejection here from this external level. This was also the trade that I took, but it got one break even here. I just took the trade with this here and slightly above the high, and there was the 1:3 RR, but it did not hit my TP, and it gave me break even one trade here. And if we see on the 5-minute, this is our break of stocks to the downside, and this high becomes our external QM here. So after that, these are all three trades that I took, but after some time that I closed my trading setup, it gave the another entry. You can see this is not touched here, but after some time it touched perfectly here, and it gives the rejection, and the trade is just here, and SL just above the high, and 1:3 RR. And yeah, you can see it perfectly at 1:3 RR here. And these are the three trades that I took actually in my account, but this is the extra trade that I did not took, but yeah, it's inside my trading window. 2 to 3 trades are enough for a day for me, but in this setup it will give you more than three trades every day. So yeah, it's like that. You just have to be in trading in 9:30 AM New York time to the 12. This is a simple model that works inside this window for me, but you can also use this same strategy on the London session too, and on the gold also, but currently I'm only using on the New York session. Yeah, you can use on every asset where a candle exists. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel. You can also watch my masterclass playlist to complete understanding of the my strategy, and you can also join the Discord server where I share the analysis, and Telegram too. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till then, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.